Welcome to this tutorial on multivariable calculus. Today, we are tackling a crucial technique, changing the order of integration. Specifically, we will learn how to rewrite the bounds of a double integral to switch between type 1 and type 2 regions. First, let's clarify what we mean by order. A double integral can be set up as dy dx, where we integrate with respect to y first, or dx dy, where we integrate with respect to x first. Choosing the correct order is often the key to solving complex problems. A type 1 region is characterized by vertical strips. Here, the outer bounds for x are constants, ranging from a to b. The inner bounds for y are functions of x, going from a bottom curve g1 of x to a top curve g2 of x. Conversely, a type 2 region uses horizontal strips. In this case, the outer bounds for y are constants. From c to d, the inner bounds for x vary from a left curve h1 of y to a right curve h2 of y. Why do we need to switch? Often, you will encounter an integral where the inner function has no elementary antiderivative, like e to the power of y squared integrated with respect to y. By switching the order, we can transform an impossible problem into a solvable one. Here is the four-step strategy. 1. Sketch the region defined by the original bounds. 2. Identify the equations of all boundaries. 3. Switch your perspective from vertical to horizontal strips or vice versa. And 4. Determine the new constant outer bounds and variable inner bounds. Let's look at a classic example. We need to evaluate the integral from 0 to 1 and from x to 1 of e to the power of y squared dy dx. Notice that we cannot start with the inner integral because e to the y squared does not have a simple antiderivative. Let's sketch the region based on the given bounds. X goes from 0 to 1, and y goes from the line y equals x up to the line y equals 1. This forms a triangle with vertices at 0, 0, 1, 1, and 0, 1. Currently, we are using vertical strips. To switch to type 2, we look at horizontal strips. Now, y ranges from 0 to 1 on the outside. For a fixed y, x goes from the y-axis, where x is 0, to the line x equals y, so our new bounds are y from 0 to 1 and x from 0 to y. Now we set up the new integral. Integral from 0 to 1 of the integral from 0 to y of e to the y squared, dx dy. Integrating the constant 1 with respect to x gives us x. Evaluating from 0 to y simply gives us y. The integral becomes y times e to the y squared. This new integral is easily solvable using u substitution. Let u equal y squared. Then du is 2y dy. This allows us to integrate to find 1/2 e to the y squared. Evaluating from 0 to 1, we get our final answer. 1/2 times the quantity e minus 1. To wrap up, remember these key points. Always sketch your region first. Carefully label your boundary equations. Then, switch the orientation of your representative strip to find the new limits. This technique is a powerful tool for solving difficult double integrals.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.